In this video, you will see how to insert square root formula in Excel to calculate the square root of the numbers. There are two methods. In the first method, click inside the cell and type equal to so we can insert the formula, and then type SQRT. You will see here functions list. You have to select this SQRT, and after clicking on it, then click on the number and close the parenthesis and press enter on your keyboard. So this is method 1. In the next method, you have to type equal to power and select the power function. Then select the number, type comma 1/2, close the parenthesis and then press enter on your keyboard. If you have multiple numbers, you no longer need to type the formula. You can just drag the formula down like this, or you can also click on the cell and then double click at the corner here, and the formula will be applied automatically. In this way, you can calculate square root in Excel. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel quickly. See you again in the next one.